Okay guys, here we are. These are the papaya trees that we planted some time back. And this one here is the one that's producing the most. And it has already produced some yellow mature, which we harvested. This one here is trying to catch up. This one that's not here, the cows knocked it down. This one, as you can see, is also producing pretty good. I should probably cut these branches off the bottom, but yeah, another day. This one here, also producing very well. And again, I should cut the bottom branches off. Yeah, so we got the ones that were yellow, and Woon cut them, and now we're gonna go over there and feed them to the chickens. They just love them things. All right, hold on, let me go over there to the chicken coop. Okay, Woon, what do you got here?
I have a papaya. Right one.
So
very beautiful color.
Yeah, the thing is you don't want to feed the seeds to the chickens. Only the meat of the papaya.
They have a lot of vitamin. So
yeah,
it
it's got a lot of vitamins. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go over there and feed them to the chickens. Now this character here, he likes to eat them too. But if you feed him too much, guess what will happen? He'll be like a rocket. Too much sugar. All right, let's go see the chickens. Okay, so here we are at the chicken coop door. Open it up and let's see what we see.
A zombie.
These characters, they already know.
Oh, look.
Here, throw some right there. But you gotta get out of the way. Yeah.
Right here.
They're like magnets to these things.
You can have it all. Don't you worry. Here.
That's the sick one. Give it some. Yeah, that one there woke up this morning a little on the weak side.
Oh, it's gone quick.
Yeah, it's very quick. Here, take a piece and take her outside so she can get some too. This one. So as you can see, these characters are busy in here. Look at this. They're just pecking away. And the piece that was over there, there's nothing left. Look at this. There's little pieces of skin, and pretty soon that'll be gone too. But right now they're going for the meat. No, put her outside on the floor. They like to go for the meat first, and then, as you can see, there you go. Oh yeah, right there. Yeah. And then, as you can see here, I just started doing this here. It's time to clean. Yeah, because this gets full of poop and full of nasty very, very quick. Yeah. Now, nothing to do with feeding papayas, but I did change this water thing here. These characters would put their head in there to drink and then shake, and all the ground right here was just wet. So I had to take it out and go back to buckets. But as long as they have water, they don't care what you put it in. All right, so there it is. Earlier this morning, I gave them some guava. We have that guava tree over there that produces year-round, and they devour that stuff too. They really like it. Yeah. Everybody's very busy trying to find something else that's left. Yeah. And they'll mill around and they'll peck at it, and eventually nothing but skin, and they'll eat that too, and before you know it, nothing left but poop on the ground. Yep. All right. We'll see what happens later. Thanks for watching.
ขอบคุณเจ้า
See you next time.
แล้วปะกันแฮมไมนะเจ้า
See you.
บ๊ายบาย